do you think about it, dude? You got some cool stuff, doesn't he?
I think these are pretty awesome.
And super awesome people, that's the thing.
Yeah.
Super cool.
Real cool guys.
Real good people.
Yeah. And they got some really cool stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, I do too. And we got 2 more to look at.
And super awesome people.
Isn't that cool? I love it, baby. Man. Yeah, we need one of these for everyday drivers.
For sure.
Hey, it looks like Rob's been working out. Oh, I love it. Hey, we're getting ready to burn some rubber in Dalton's pickup. Heck yeah, boy. Dude, Dalton don't want to screw up his tires. So he's got some tires back there that he's going to put on his truck. That way he can smoke them off. But he don't have no freaking lug nuts to fit.
Kid's dedicated.
Yeah, he's dedicated. So he's got this truck he drives every day, and he's going to take the wheels and tires off of it. That way he can get the lug nuts. Yeah.
Just so he can do a burnout.
What an idiot, but I love it. I love it.
Yeah, it's great.
He put different tires on his truck. He didn't have no lug nuts, so he pulled his everyday driver up here and yanked the lug nuts off.
My luck, I probably gave them to somebody, and now I'm just...
Yeah, he don't have no stock lug nuts. Hurry up, boy. Look at that freaking mullet flapping. Oh, that boy cracks me up. Oh, yeah. Stock or is it? Well, you don't.
Oh, it's stock. It's bone stock.
Yeah. It don't sound stock.
Yeah, it's my first truck. It's got a stage 4 BTR cam, headers, Trailblazer intake, 90mm throttle body, 3200 stall, 14 gears, sticky
You
tires.
see them tires? Tires are awesome. How low is it? What kind of lower?
It's a 3.5 drop now. That's where it sits currently.
Looks good. All right, sucker up, brother.
Yeah, you got
This truck sounds awesome. Hey, for real though, this would be a perfect everyday driver because he drives it every day, don't you, Dalton?
as much as I can when it ain't raining. I don't like cleaning it.
Heck yeah. Sounds good, guys. Seriously sounds awesome.
Oh yeah, sounds awesome. Sounds good, dude. I love it. Burning some rubber with this one. Oh, Dalton, you got a sweet ride, brother. All right, I'm filming, brother. So what all you got done to this thing?
So we got a stock 5.3, stage 4 cam, headers, Trailblazer intake, 90mm throttle body.
Sounds sick, dude.
It's got 14 gears, 3200 stall.
Hit a roll, boys. What kind of cam you see you had?
It's a stage 4 BTR truck cam.
Dang, it sounds sweet, dude. We're getting ready to do some burnouts, boys.
Yeah.
Woo! Yep. Rolling, brother. Oh, yeah, baby! Dude, that was freaking awesome. Oh, you're going to pick up so many rocks right here. Look at these marks. Oh, that was awesome, Dalton. That is freaking awesome, brother.
You're in smoke, man. I love it. Smells delicious. That's great.
Boys, you gotta live life. This is awesome. One way to live. Uh-oh. Some hot tire. Heck yeah, dude.
Man, that was killer. He just smoked that.
Nice little test run. We'll see what we can See what he's gonna do here in a second. I bet he's gonna light them up big time.
That would be awesome.
Oh, look at that smoke, baby!
Woo! Love the smell of rubber in the afternoon. Oh man.
That's a good one. Yeah.
Woo-hoo. Dang.
Hey! Look at them. Dude, that's some long black marks right there, boy. Oh my God.
Gets it though.
Yeah, heck yeah. His daddy
Yeah.
and his grandpa, they
Oh,
all
yeah, they
got
all
cool
love
hot
it, yeah.
rods, man. Look at all that smoke, boys. What's up? Look at them old men sitting there watching the smoke
Geezers.
show. Oh man, they sit there in a lawn chair watching them smoke the tires. Look at these two sexy suckers. Ooh, there's a cameraman right there.
Hey.
What's up, brother?
Mine's bigger.
Oh yeah.
Heck yeah, that
There's
was
my
awesome.
buddy Rob and Justin. Little Dalton with the mullet.
Right. That's a sweet
Heck
mullet.
yeah.
Yeah.
Right now? Yeah. Oh, you think it'll be smoke? Oh, it's funny.
Hey, like, subscribe, guys.
Yeah,
it's
hey,
easy. It's free.
It's freaking free.
Come on.
Guys, catch you on the next video. Hello. What an idiot, but
Yeah,
I love it.
it's
I
awesome.
love
Yeah,
it.
he's awesome.